Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to connect EngageBay with your other favorite tools? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate it with Zapier, your email, and external forms for free. First, for Zapier, go to Zapier.com and create a free account. Create a new Zap. Choose EngageBay as your trigger app. Select an event like New Contact Added. Then, choose your action app. This could be Google Sheets to log the contact, Slack to send a notification, or Trello to create a card. Connect your accounts, and your integration is live. For email, you need to connect your sending domain or email service. In EngageBay, go to Settings Email Configuration. Follow the steps to authenticate your domain or connect your Gmail/Outlook for better deliverability. For external forms, if you use a tool like Google Forms or Typeform, you can connect it via Zapier. Set the form as the trigger and create contact in EngageBay as the action. Now, every form submission becomes a CRM contact automatically. You can also use EngageBay's own free form builder and skip the integration hassle. And that's it. By connecting EngageBay to Zapier, your email, and your forms, you create a seamless ecosystem that saves you time and keeps all your data in sync. If you set up an integration, let me know which tools you connected in the comments. See you in the next one.